Hello fellow guitar players. Are you finding yourself fiddling around with amp choices, amp settings, options for effects on your Spark amp or any modeling amp and wasting way too much time on that rather than playing your guitar? Well, you're not alone. My name is Rick Salterman. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, comments and a thumbs up are always appreciated. Thank you very much. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the tone I need in less than half the time I used to spend fiddling around with all the options. It can become an obsession and prevent you from actually playing. So here's what I do. I'm looking for a slapback reverb for a Bryan Adams tune. So what I do is I go to the tone cloud. In the search bar, I put in slap delay, which I already did, so there it is. Now I have a whole bunch of options here, and of course I already checked one out that I like. So this is country slap, and I will download that. Alright, so I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to go and find it in my amp, and there it is, country slap. This is my bridge pickup, so sounds a little weak. Alright, so what I'm going to do here first is I want to have a little bit more slapback. So I'm going to the delay, and I'm cranking up the volume a little bit. Alright, that sounds already a little bit better, right? Alright, so next I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more of a cleaner tone, brighter tone with a different amp. So that's a tweed bass. That's why it sounds a little bassy with my Strat. So I'm going to go find what I need here. So I like this orange, this AD clean here. Okay, it sounds a little cleaner right there. Next I'm going to see what kind of drive I have. So it's the booster, and I'm just going to get my tube drive here. Alright, so on a tube drive the tone goes to maximum treble. Alright, so now we're getting a little closer, and we can take the overdrive down a little bit. Alright, so that works for me. That's the slap reverb I'm going to use for this tune. And that's how I find different tones. So once we have this slapback that we want, then all we need to do is save the patch into one of our categories. Okay? So, save new, country slap in the blues section, and save. And here we go. Now I have this patch for the Bryan Adams tune. So this is how I do it. Okay, it saves me a lot of time. There's a lot of fine patches up there that creators already uploaded for your convenience. All you need to do is to find the one that you like. If you look for a particular song, do a search on that song or artist, and often you get sort of the sound that they use. Okay, many times when you download that patch, you might find it disappointing, because the creator might use a different guitar as an input. Then you have to make your own guitar work for that patch. And that's how I do it. It's actually very simple. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it will help you find more time actually playing the guitar rather than searching for that perfect tone. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care. There you go. Thanks for watching.